Shopping websites for the Caribbean, Central, and Latin America. Chapter 1. Shopping websites at cali.org/en/regional and cali.org/en/shopping. Caribbean shopping websites for some countries at cali.org/en/regional/caribbean/business_and_economy/shopping and cali.org/en/shopping/ethnic_regional/Caribbean. Subcategories: Aruba, Bahamas, Barbados, Bermuda, British Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Cuba, Dominica, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Trinidad and Tobago, U.S. Virgin Islands. Central America shopping websites for some countries at cali.org/en/regional/central_america/business_and_economy/shopping and cali.org/en/shopping/ethnic_and_regional/Latin_American. Subcategories: Belize, Costa Rica, Mexico, Panama, coffee, florists. South America shopping websites at cali.org/en/regional/south_america/business_and_economy/shopping. cali.org/en/shopping/ethnic_and_regional/Latin_American. Subcategories: Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Ecuador, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay. Artists and galleries, florists, local interest books. North America shopping website categories at cali.org/en/regional/north_america/business_and_economy/shopping. cali.org/en/shopping/ethnic_and_regional/north_American. Subcategories: Bermuda, Canada, Caribbean, Greenland, Mexico, United States. Antiques and collectibles, artists and galleries, autos, florists, pharmacies. Chapter 2. Mexico shopping websites. Mexico shopping websites 1. Linio.com.mx, Walmart.com.mx, Liverpool.com.mx, Ticketmaster.com.mx, BestBuy.com.mx, HomeDepot.com.mx, Koppel.com, ClubPremier.com, SacIonal.com, Sears.com.mx, DeFiti.com.mx, Costco.com.mx, Amazon.com.mx, OfficeDepot.com.mx, Gandhi.com.mx, Cyberpuerta.mx, Sanborns.com.mx, PCEL.com, Superama.com.mx, ElPalacio.com, Andrea.com, Sams.com.mx, Netshoes.com.mx, Adidas.mx, Marty.mx, Intelcompras.com, Sony.com.mx, Comercialmexicana.com.mx, Paguito.com, Giardina.com. Mexico shopping websites 2. AmericaOnline.com.mx, BoycottMexico.com, BuyMexiCoins.com/travel.hdm, Euromonitor.com/consumer_foodservice_in_Mexico, Euromonitor.com/consumer_lifestyles_in_Mexico, MexicoGlobal.com, MexOnline.com, find information related, TravelyUKaten.com/info-9.hdm,